Well, we're going to keep you pumping with the economy. Hopefully, Murray Feldman is here to tell you how to get a gig.
Hey, I'll tell you, some things are going better, and because of that, 75 jobs are open right now at one company. No experience necessary. They will train if they find the right people. How to tell if you're right, coming up in the job shop. And also, ways to lower your insurance premiums. Yeah, it's a bonus today when we open up the shop right after this. Open up Fox 2 Job Shop with Brian Hannigan at the firm Hannigan Insurance Company, and their job is to find lower insurance rates for people. Yep. That's one thing. We also have jobs open right now and tips to keep your insurance costs low. A lot of things to get through today, so let's get started, Brian. Your company has been growing. Tell me what you do and how you do it. How do you lower our rates?
Yeah, so our company has been on a fast track the last 5 or 6 years. We're an online insurance agency. As the market has shifted, Murray, towards more everything done online, and people want that convenience, we're insurance brokers, and then what that means for the consumers, it's all about choice. And we all come home at night, we all see one, I call it stupid cart insurance commercial after another. But how does the consumer, they're so desensitized towards all that message, and the insurance companies are save money here, save money here, save money here. What do you do to cut through all that marketing clutter? And so what we do, since we're brokers, we represent probably 5 or 6 of the top-rated insurance companies in Michigan. We're just getting ready to go nationally, but we can help save money by one call with us, and we can kind of compare 5 or 6. So it's all about choice.
All right, and you need people to help you with the call center in Ann Arbor. You just got a grant from the state of Michigan so that you can expand.
Correct.
Let's take a look at the jobs that are open right now. Now, these are jobs you're hiring for them right now, correct?
Yep, that's right now.
All right, let's take a look at this. First of all, there are 75 jobs. They're call center jobs, inside sales reps, and you say no experience will train. What kind of people are you looking for, though?
Good question. So people with passion, anybody that has passion, that are competitive, that like to win. So our environment is a fun place to be and work at. But and I've interviewed probably hundreds of people over the years, Murray, and I don't even, in a job interview, from my experiences, it's one person, it's like dating. The first date, it's one person lying to the other. And so that's the same thing in the job interview.
Did you say it's one person lying?
Yeah, most dates when you first start out, right? It's like, you know, you come in an interview and you're not acting who you are. The questions that I ask and receive typically have been, oh, what Brian wants to hear. Right, and they all study how to do a good job interview, and so I just ask one question, Murray.
And the question is?
I put my pen down. I ask the one question.
What is the question? Can I ask?
What are you passionate about? Tell me something that you're passionate about. And it doesn't have to be anything exotic, but just have an answer. I don't care if you love ice cream, if you're passionate about running, you're passionate about the Red Wings. Say something, and you'd be surprised how many people have nothing to say to that question. So we like to hire people with that passion, that competitive edge, and we're not for everybody. I'm not going to lie to you. But those type of people are the people that we want to attract, what I call A players.
Are you one of his A players? If so, myfoxdetroit.com. We have the link to apply right there in the job shop. But before you go, you're talking about how you cut people's insurance premiums and stuff. Yeah. Let's run over some tips right now that anybody can benefit from. First, you say pay your policy in full to get a discount. Does this work with any company?
Yeah, and I'll even back up even before that. It's not just to cut your rate. It's we want to make sure you have the right coverage first. That's what we do.
Gotcha.
But to pay your policy in full, most people don't realize this, but the insurance companies, they'll knock 15% off your rates if you pay your policy in full.
Wow. And we've all heard of increasing deductibles.
Yeah, I mean, on my house, I carry a $2,500 deductible. I'm not going to submit a claim if my freezer goes out and, you know, $400 worth of food spoilage. So to save money on your insurance, carry a higher deductible. Don't give the money to the insurance company. Put it in your pocketbook.
Don't buy broad form collision.
No, that's my recommendation. Broad form is where you waive your deductible if its accident isn't your fault. So the insurance companies charge you for that. It's like a luxury tax. It's nice to have if you're not at fault, but they're going to charge you for that. So I say if you want to save money, one of the ways is carry regular or basic collision, and you'll probably save about $75 to $85 a year.
All right. Thank you for the tips. Thank you for the jobs. We have, as I said, the link to apply at myfoxdetroit.com in the job shop. And when you're there, not only can you see a replay of this interview, but you can also get many more tips that you have supplied to us.
Oh, yeah.
So I thank you for that.
Well, thanks for having us.
Good luck with the expansion. Brian Hannigan from the Hannigan Insurance Company in Ann Arbor. Ann Arbor is the place.
That's where our call
expanding
center
right
is
now.
expanding right now. We have room for 75 more agents. And one thing, Murray, I want to let everybody know if you're watching this is you don't have to be licensed to come work for us. We put you through a 4-week boot camp at Hannigan University. We'll train you, and not only while we're training you, we pay you too. So we're basically paying you to come and let us train you, and then we'll get you licensed as well and pay for those fees.
The link in the job shop by FoxDetroit.com.
Yeah, check it out.
Thank you, Brian. That's
right.
my job.
Okay.
All right, I'll see you at 5 o'clock. He won't be here, though. I'll be here at 5 o'clock. Thank you for being with us.
No problem.
Today. All right, take it away, guys.
Don't be so sure, Murray. He might
still be there.
He might
Very
be standing there.
comfortable.
He got real
Chair.
comfortable in it said.
That was good information, though. Good. We all need job interview skills. Well, hopefully no time soon, but.
You know, one thing I
Never
would
hurts.
add to that, and I'm not saying that this is true of everybody, but we got complacent with our insurance. You know, just the bill arrives, you pay it. You're not really noticing. Well, we weren't filing claims or anything, but their premiums were slowly going up over like a decade. So we really looked at it one day. We're like paying thousands more than we needed to be paying. We shopped around and got a lower quote and cut our insurance bill in half.
Yeah, you just have to put in it's a hassle, but some of these things you have to fight for it a little bit and be aware what you're paying for.